Let's begin with the big face-off that we saw in Parliament today and an after effect of it on Twitter as well. Samajwadi Party MP and veteran actor Jaya Bachchan has hit back at actor-politician Ravi Kishan, who said in Parliament yesterday that the drug addiction in the film industry too, saying that the industry is being flogged by social media and government's non-support. Now, Jaya Bachchan said that just because a few people who cannot tarnish the whole industry, adding that such statements are being made to divert the attention from the state of economy and unemployment. Her remarks come a day after Ravi Kishan said on the floor of the House that drug-related allegations have emerged against the industry in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. He also alleged a conspiracy by Pakistan and China to destroy the country's younger citizens. Now, in middle of this face-off between these two MPs, Kangana Ranaut has also now jumped into the controversy. She tweeted on Jaya Bachchan's remarks. Let's bring out that tweet also for you. In fact, in quite an objectionable words, Kangana Ranaut has basically hit out at Jaya Bachchan, saying that she needs to understand the problem and not look away. Jaya Bachchan, meanwhile, in her remarks on the floor of the House, said that some people, without naming Kangana, have called the industry a gutter. That should be stopped. She said that people who work with Kangana Ranaut should now look into it and perhaps ensure this language is not used.
Entertainment industry in our country, which provides direct employment every day to 5 lakh people and indirect employment to 5 million people. At a time when the financial situation is in a depressing state and employment is at the worst level, in order to divert the attention of the people, we are being used to be flogged by the social media and the government's non-support. Sir, people who have made their name in this film industry have called it a gutter. I completely disagree. I was really embarrassed and ashamed that yesterday one of our members in the Lok Sabha spoke, who is from the industry, against, I'm not taking a name, against the film industry. It's a shame. Jis thali mein khate hain, usme chhed karte hain.
All right, so that was Jaya Bachchan's response to an earlier remark that came in from MP Ravi Kishan. Let's show you that comment as well that he made on the floor of the House yesterday.
जया जी से ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. मैं उनको बहुत प्रणाम करता हूँ, सेंट्रल हॉल में उनके पैर छूता हूँ. जया जी हमारी सीनियर है. मुझे लगा था मेरे कल के वक्तव्य पे जो हमने पार्लियामेंट में बोला था, हमको जया जी आज समर्थन देंगे, क्योंकि ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सारे लोग ड्रग्स नहीं करते हैं. मैं पहली बात तो क्लियर कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन जो कुछ लोग कर रहे हैं या कुछ लोग इसके अंदर एक कार्टेल भेज रहे हैं या पैडलर्स भेज रहे हैं, एक इतनी बड़ी सोची समझी साजिशन की लार्जेस्ट फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इन द वर्ल्ड, उसको प्लान करके कोई खत्म करना चाह रहा है. बॉलीवुड के सुपरस्टार्स के रोल मॉडल्स होते हैं, तो यहां पर भी इसको एक फैशन के रूप में, हम लोग जब 90s में आए थे तो ये सब फैशन नहीं था. जया जी जब आई थी तो नहीं था. तो हम लोग अगर आवाज नहीं उठाएंगे तो कौन आज मैं चाह रहा था कि जया जी मेरा समर्थन करें, या तो उन्होंने मेरा व्यक्तित्व तो सुना ही नहीं या मेरी बात सुनी ही नहीं. इंडस्ट्री को बचाने की बात, युवाओं को बचाने, कल मेरे बच्चे भी आएंगे तो किस माहौल में आएंगे, कल आप भी जाना चाहोगी तो किस माहौल में जाओगी. ये इंडस्ट्री से हम लोग बिलोंग करते हैं, हम लोग पार्लियामेंट में अगर इंडस्ट्री की आवाज, और मैंने पहले भी इंडस्ट्री की आवाज उठाई है, मैंने कलाकारों के भविष्य के लिए भी आवाज उठाई है. उनकी पार्टी अलग है, देखिए उनकी विचारधारा अलग है. मेरी पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी, हमारी विचारधारा है गंदगी को देश से साफ करना. 2014 से यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री साफ कर रहे हैं गंदगी, और उस सफाई कितनी हो रही है पूरा विश्व देख रहा है. तो ये ड्रग्स की भी सफाई होगी.
In fact, that was a response that Ravi Kishan has given. Now a fresh one that has come in today and that was a response that he's giving to the comments made by Jaya Bachchan on the floor of the House. But let's take it forward with our reporters. Joining us this afternoon, we've got Rohit Khilani joining us from Mumbai. We'll be going across to Sukirti Dwivedi as well to get a perspective on Parliament and how that folded. Rohit, Jaya Bachchan has attacked two people. One, Ravi Kishan, for the comments he made on the floor of the House, but a very subtle attack to Kangana Ranaut as well. I just want to quote from the comment she's made. She said, people in the industry, entertainment industry, are being flogged by social media. People who made their name in the industry have called it gutter. She's obviously referring to what Kangana Ranaut had said earlier. Kangana Ranaut has given out a response to that, a tweet which we can't even show our viewers because it insinuates and it's quite personal. But clearly Kangana Ranaut not taking it lying down and getting back to Jaya Bachchan.
Absolutely. And, there's also something different from what Kangana is saying and from what Ravi Kishan is saying. Kangana at some point clearly said that 99% of the people in the industry consume drugs. Ravi Kishan is now saying that not everybody consumes drugs. And of course, Jaya Bachchan not taking this herself lying down because, this is tarnishing a name of the industry. As he himself, Ravi Kishan, said that it's the biggest film industry in the world and this gives employment to so many people. Of course, even after what Jaya Bachchan said, Ravi Kishan came out and even Kangana has come out and complained, of course, almost lashed out at Jaya Bachchan and made some personal remarks, as you said.
Right. Sukirti also joining us from the Parliament. Sukirti, quite a fiery face-off there between the two MPs.
Well, yes, absolutely important that this issue has now reached the Parliament. So far, there has been talk of all the allegations in this matter, all the media trials, all of these things have been highlighted. But now the matter reaching Parliament and all kinds of accusations being made. First, it was Mr. Ravi Kishan yesterday in the Lok Sabha who said that Bollywood celebrities consume drugs and sends the wrong message considering the youth of the country tends to follow them. And today, Ms. Jaya Bachchan in the Rajya Sabha saying that. And Ms. Jaya Bachchan being important not just in her potential as a MP of the Parliament, but also the fact that she comes from the Bachchan family, the mega star Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's wife, and has been an actress herself and has done so many movies. So she holds that place as well. And today while speaking, she said, "मैं बहुत भावुक हूँ, मैं किसी तरह से आपको बता रही हूँ." So the way also she was saying it, she said that I'm very personally hurt with the way statements are being made against this industry, and especially coming from somebody like her who, not just her entire family has been in the industry for so many years. She said that it is wrong that people who've earned from this industry now making allegations like this, they tend to call it a gutter. The industry has so many highest taxpayers of the country, and despite that, all of this has been happening. जिस थाली में खाते हैं उसी में छेद करते हैं. The kind of betrayal is what she accused Mr. Ravi Kishan of. He, of course, defending himself now, saying that I respect Jayaji, but expected support from her, even though drugs issue may not have persisted during the time me and Ms. Bachchan were in the industry actively working. But now there has been a recent fashion, and this needs to be curbed.
All right there. So reactions and counter reactions to that coming in, not just from the industry, but even between parliamentarians there. Thank you both, Rohit and Sukirti, for joining us with the latest.